How to play Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So Roblox, you can find this application in your Play Store or your App Store. It is an online game creator system where the majority of content is created by amateur game creators in Roblox Studio. So in order to install this application, simply go to your Play Store and then search for Roblox. You can find it in both Play Store and App Store. I already have this application installed. Now in order to play games in Roblox, simply launch your Roblox application after it is installed. Create an account and then you will land in an interface where you will be able to find several games. As you can see here, you can find several games and you can play with friends as well. By adding on friends, you can connect with contacts or share your QR code as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.